How to fix audio sync issues on TikTok. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is make sure your TikTok app is up to date or not. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app TikTok. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem might be fixed. Heading towards next solution, launch your TikTok. Now click on the option of Profile given at the bottom right corner. Once we're in the profile page, at the top right corner you're gonna find 3 bars. Click on that. Navigate to the option of Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down, click on the option of Report a Problem. Now scroll all the way down, click on the option of Chat with Us. Now here you have to explain about your issue. Just type in and then send it. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you. Then you can submit a ticket. Over here, describe your issue in the detail form. Likewise, you can also add the videos and photos. And once you type in that, you can submit it. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you within 24 hours. You can have the conversation and then your problem will be resolved. So this way you can easily fix audio sync issues on TikTok. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.